How to set an alarm on Android phone. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can set an alarm for your Android device. So without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. Open up your clock application from your Android device. Now, as you do so, you will see a page like this. At the moment, all alarms are off. In case you would like to add a new alarm, tap on the plus icon. Then here, set the dates for which you would like to have the alarm on. You can also name the alarm. Then choose the sound of your alarm. Once done, in case you would like to vibrate your alarm, tap on this vibration. And you can also change the snooze button. You can repeat the alarms as well. Once you do all that, tap on to save. It will show you that this alarm has been set for 18 hours and 37 minutes from now. Just like so, this is how you can set an alarm on your Android phone. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then make sure to like and subscribe. We will be back soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, stay updated.